Look at this. Right seconds, babe. This is it. From Melissa. From Melissa, see there? From Melissa, you me truck gone down in that. From Melissa. That happened there. Parish Council then come and take pictures on it. See there? Chuck down in there. You me chuck from Melissa. There is the Parish Council office right down there. Right down there the Parish Council office is. Right down there, and this happened right here. See it? Right here. That is it. They only can take pictures of it. A deep hole right there. Many cars dropping it and nobody to come and fix it.